Good morning. Welcome to the airport. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I am flying to Tokyo, Japan.
Is this your final destination, or do you have a connecting flight?
I have a connecting flight in Bangkok.
I see. How many bags are you checking in today?
I have 2 suitcases.
Please place them on the scale.
Sure.
Your luggage is a little heavy. The limit is 23 kilograms, and your bag is 25 kilograms.
Oh, I see. What should I do?
You can remove some items or pay an extra baggage fee.
I will remove a few things from my suitcase.
That's fine. Take your time.
Okay, now it should be lighter.
Yes, now it is within the limit. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Your gate number is B16, and boarding begins at 10:15 a.m.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant trip.
Good afternoon. Welcome aboard the airplane.
Thank you.
May I see your boarding pass?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Your seat is 21A, next to the window.
Great. I like window seats.
Please place your bag in the overhead compartment.
Okay.
Please fasten your seatbelt. The plane will take off in about 10 minutes.
No problem.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I would like a glass of water, please.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
After takeoff, we will serve lunch. Would you prefer chicken, beef, or vegetarian?
I would like the chicken meal, please.
That sounds good. I will bring it to you later.
Thank you.
If you need anything during the flight, please press the call button.
I will. Thank you for your service.
Hello, I would like to book a room at your hotel.
Certainly. When would you like to stay?
I plan to stay from July 5th to July 8th.
That will be 3 nights. How many guests will stay in the room?
2 people.
Would you like a standard room, a deluxe room, or a suite?
What is the price of the deluxe room?
The deluxe room costs $120 per night and includes breakfast.
That sounds good. I will take the deluxe room.
May I have your full name, please?
My name is Michael Brown.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. May I also have your phone number and email address?
Sure, my phone number is 555-1234.
Your reservation is now confirmed.
Great, thank you very much.
We look forward to welcoming you to our hotel.
Good evening. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel.
Good evening. I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Daniel Wilson.
Let me check. Yes, Mr. Wilson. You booked a deluxe room for 3 nights.
That's correct.
May I see your passport or ID, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Please fill out this registration form.
Okay.
Here is your room key. Your room number is 408.
Is breakfast included?
Yes. Breakfast is served from 6:30 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the first floor.
That sounds great.
The elevator is to your right.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
Good morning. I would like to check out, please.
Good morning. May I have your room number?
My room number is 408.
One moment while I check your bill.
Sure.
Your total charge is $360 for 3 nights, including taxes.
Okay. Can I pay with my credit card?
Yes, of course.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy your stay at our hotel?
Yes, it was very comfortable, and the staff were very friendly.
We are happy to hear that. Have a safe trip home.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find the City Museum.
The City Museum is not very far from here.
That's good. How can I get there?
First, walk straight down this street for about 2 blocks.
Okay.
Then you will see a big bank on the corner.
I see.
Turn right at the bank and continue walking for about 5 minutes.
Will I see the museum from there?
Yes, the museum is a large white building next to the park.
That sounds easy to find.
Yes, it is very popular with tourists.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.